going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and welcome to Pipe Doctor of Central Florida. It's Wednesday, the 15th of May, 2024. We are in Lehigh Lakes, which is in Winter Garden, Central Florida, suburbs of Orlando. We have a customer, and I know a lot of you in the Central Florida area have the same problem. Besides it being raining right now, you have this shitty smelling water. And if you're tired of that nasty water in your home, give us a call, 407-375-1100. We have a solution. Tom's got it in his hand right over there. We have this A.O. Smith water heater. Let's go take care of this. We've been waiting 15 minutes for the homeowner to open the garage door for us. They're not home, so in the interim, Tom, Matt, and I were hanging some door hangers on neighboring homes on their front doors. You know, it's pretty cool, right? It's identifying who we are, that we're now operating under the new name of Pipe Doctor. And on the opposite side, we got some coupons, right? They're pretty cheap. I got these and my other print media from Footbridge Printing. I'll put a link in the description box down below. They also offer websites, design, contract free, all in $250 a month, and they do some SEO for you. Check them out, link in the description box down below. I got 2 more to hang, and maybe, just maybe, someone will call from these. Just finished putting up my last door hanger at the house right over there across the street. We got one there, there, and there. And would you look at this? The homeowner remotely opened the garage door for us. So now let's take care of the smelly water inside this home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you got one of these in your home in Central Florida and you got stinking water, well, let me show you the solution that Pipe Doctor Home Services can offer you. All right, before we get started, let's just take a quick peek what we got. We got a State Pro Line electric water heater. It is a 40-gallon model. Someone already got the contractor rewards because they want to rank better on hotwater.com. So let's go over to the circuit breaker panel. Right over here. And let's look for our water heater, a la peanut butter sandwiches, water heater, dryer, water heater. Boom. And we'll verify that power's off at the water heater. All right, step number 1, after turning off power, we're going to verify that power is kaput. All right, we have our thermostat right there. All right, and we have incoming voltage at the top 2 terminals, right there and right there. Let's use our voltmeter and check. We're using the Fluke. Now go to the top. Tom, top, right there.
Right there.
Right there. Okay, we have 0 volts. Now, just to confirm, let's go back here. Let's turn this breaker back on. Ready? Yeah. Breaker's back on. Go back to there. And 240. Excellent. Safety always first, ladies and gentlemen. Safety first. And now that we've verified there's no more power there, we're going to put everything back the way it was. Push that back in. Push this cover back up. Push this right back in there. Bingo, like that. Put the insulation back. And we'll put the cover back on. Now we're going to start draining. We've got a garden hose hooked up to the bottom valve going out to the street.
To get some...
There we go. Easy peasy. Very ballsy opening the relief valve, but we are professionals, ladies and gentlemen. It would be easier if the door was open, we had access to the house.
It's running.
And we would break the airbound seal by opening up the faucet.
It's getting popped open.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering, Mikey Pipes, why are we messing around with the water heater to get rid of the smell that's in this nasty Central Florida water? The answer lies in my hands. This is called an anode rod, but this is a very special anode rod. A.O. Smith makes these very special anode rods for customers with this exact problem. The horrible Central Florida water with the effing smell. This is a magnesium and zinc sacrificial anode rod. Its job is to be sacrificed instead of the tank. But an added benefit is the magnesium and zinc alloy that's inside this. What gets rid of that smell.
Getting all the insulation out of the way.
If you're in the Central Florida area, you know what to do. 407-375-1100. You can call or text. But before you do that, smash the thumbs up button like you're making mashed potatoes. Wow.
All right, let me.
Tom, you grab it. All right, obviously that's not working out too well, so. Damn, this one's dead too. You know what? Team Red don't help. That is not moving at all. Take 3. Now, we need to grab that bad boy with something.
I got you.
She deep in there. Team Red for the win. Let's see if we can get this bad boy out of there. All the cocky on this thing. Come on, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Smell, there you go. Dude.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. How's your shaft?
Dirty.
Oh, my God. It shit stinks.
Yeah.
So, this, ladies and gentlemen, is called a sacrificial anode rod. Its job is to be attacked by the water that's sitting inside the tank, right? So it gets sacrificed. So instead of the water eating the tank, the water eats this rod first. And you can see there's still some life left to it, but I wouldn't want this in my water heater and what I'm bathing in and cooking in and washing my dishes in, washing my clothes in. You wouldn't want this. So make sure you check and change your anode rod every 3 years. All right, so the new anode rod is in place. We're gonna tighten it up. And then we'll turn the water back on. We'll flush out the bottom, all that cocky at the bottom of the water heater. We'll show you that in a few minutes. And then restore domestic hot water for our client.
So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad John up.
Why don't you shut the valve off for the drain? Oh, no.
No, well, why are you gonna shut the valve? Leave it open.
Yeah, we're gonna leave the drain in, that's
Yes.
correct. Okay, you're right, Mike.
It's not about being right. It's just about learning something new every day. Oh, got him. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give a huge shout out to Connor Dyack. His YouTube channel, Connor's Cars, where he documents his business, his profession of buying cars at dealer wholesale auctions and reselling them on social media. His YouTube channel just hit 1,000 subscribers. Check him out at Connor's Cars. Thank you so much, and tell him Mikey Pipe sent you. Now, let's go see what kind of cocky's coming out of here. Cocky. Oh, she's hot. Oh. Oh, there it comes. Look at all that cocky. See all that cocky? And that, ladies and gentlemen, that is why, ooh, look at all that fun stuff right there. And that is why we change anode rods and flush water heaters at Pipe Doctor Home Services of Central Florida. You can't make this stuff up. Look at this. You cannot make this stuff up. This is all the shit that's hanging out at the bottom of this family's water heater. Imagine, Mommy, Daddy, I'm taking a shower, taking a bath. What's all this white stuff in the water?
Not only that, this stuff ruins women's hair, man.
It really does.
My wife complains about her hair all the time because of this. Look at that.
Yep.
Look at this business.
Look at that. That is absolutely ridiculous. All right. Look at that.
There you go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get your thoughts, feedback, even criticism down in the comment section down below. What would you have done better or differently? We can all learn from one another, and together we can make the trades great again. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. There's no cost or obligation. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.